grip here is an ice pick grip. Cutting edge in, offers very limited cutting surface. There's an ice pick with a cutting edge out, provides a lot more cutting surface. Modified ice pick, the cutting edge in, the wider hand span provides more strict and wrist stability. Modified ice pick with cutting edge out. The ice pick grip with cutting edge out, this would be a very effective fighting tool by nearly bringing the blade parallel to your arm. Okay. Reverse hatchet grip, the cutting edge up. Okay, with the thumb in. Reverse hatchet grip with the cutting edge up. Hatchet grip with the cutting edge down. There's a saber grip with the cutting edge down. Reverse saber grip with the cutting edge up. Okay, from here, this is a foil grip. These are various chambered type grips. Okay, for striking with the closed Balisong handle. Now you're ready to learn some basic openings and closings of the Balisong knife. This is a single flip-up opening and closing technique. Holding the safe handle, drop and flip the opposing handle up and catch by turning your palm up to an open position. To close, rotate the handle, still holding the safe handle, drop and flip the opposing handle up and catch to a closed position. This is an ice pick drop and catch opening. Holding handle with your fingers, swing opposing handle down and out, move your fingers and catch to an open position. This is a forward drop and catch opening.
Hi. Hey, lovely.
This is one of the quickest openings you'll see.
Love you too. Love you.
Holding the safe handle, swing opposing handle down and up.